6:20 p.m. Algonac around 6:30 p.m. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. The severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Oakland County is canceled. The severe thunderstorm which prompted the warning has moved out of the warned area. Therefore, the warning has been canceled. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 6:30 p.m. for Macomb County. At 5:56 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Mount Clemens, moving east at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected.
We're gonna get the E-ton going. The old 10 and the W120 are gonna stay. But Woodlock's gonna stay too.
Baltimore, moving east at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe storm will be near New Baltimore around 6:25 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Chesterfield Township and New Haven. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 6:30 p.m. for the following county: Macomb, Michigan. The National Weather Service in Detroit, Pontiac, has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern St. Clair County and southeastern Michigan until 7:15 p.m. At 6:08 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near New Baltimore, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Parsons Island around 6:15 p.m. Algonac around 6:20 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Ann Shoreville, Pearl Beach, and Fair Haven. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:15 p.m. for the following county: St. Clair, Michigan. For the following areas: Lake St. Clair, Open Lakeview South. Portion, St. Clair River. At 6:05 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near New Baltimore, moving east at 15 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to nearly 50 knots and large hail. Source, observed wind gust of 40 knots at Selfridge ANGB at 5:53 p.m. Large hail reported in Shelby Township with this storm. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher winds.
By Environment Canada at 10:30. Day tonight.
Algonac around 6:30 p.m. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. The severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Oakland County is canceled. The severe thunderstorm was prompted by wind gusts in the warned area. The warning has been canceled. The severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 6:30 p.m. for southeastern Macomb County. 6:18 p.m. A severe thunderstorm was located near New Baltimore, moving east at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles
KKK before 9. I'll get my E-ton.
size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Wind damage to roof, siding, and trees. This severe storm will be near New Baltimore around 6:25 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Chesterfield Township and New Haven. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning remains.
I'm gonna get the E-ton out. Yeah, this needs two batteries.
Moving east at 20 miles per hour.
Well, it just needs to be plugged in now
For the
though.
following areas: Lake St. Clair, Open Lakeview South. Portion, St. Clair River. At 6:21 p.m., a strong thunderstorm was located near Mount Clemens Harbor of Refuge. Moving
I'm sure about the Weatherx. Go till it dies.
thunderstorms are
I don't
developing
really care about it.
across St. Clair counties. Hazard, wind gusts to nearly 50 knots and small hail. Strong thunderstorm will be near St. Clair, Flats, Old light and it will connect around 6:25 p.m.
Bring it somewhere else.
Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. The National Weather Service in Detroit, Pontiac.
Right, here we go. Partly sunny, humid and warm, thunderstorm. Yep. That's how I know it's bad. Storming in 17 minutes, so at like approximate 18 18 around 8 around, let me do the math. Hang on. So let me do it. 27 plus 17. So around 1844, 1845-ish. Should probably get hit. Oh my god. Fucking advertise it though. Fucking hell. 73 degrees right now. I know I'm not downtown Toronto, but whatever. Here it is, here it is. Right there. Right there. Here we go!
The National Weather Service in Detroit.
Here we go!
Thunderstorm warning for southeastern Oakland County and southeastern Michigan.
Here we go!
Southwestern Macomb County and southeastern Michigan until 7:30 p.m. At 6:27 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Troy, moving southeast at 10 miles
Troy.
per hour. Hazard 60 miles
How
per
we not
hour
even get
with
that?
and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated.
How did we not even get that?
Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding,
Yep.
and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Troy and Sterling Heights around 6:30
Yep.
p.m. Warren around 6:40 p.m. Clinton around 6:55 p.m. St. Clair Shores around 7:15 p.m.
Wait.
Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include
Oh,
Rochester
we're up in
Hills,
this.
Madison Heights,
Thank you,
Roseville,
sir. Oh,
Shelby
sorry, thank you,
Township,
what?
Clawson, Hazel Park, Utica,
Let me-
Fraser, East Point, and Stony Creek Metro.
Talking to you around. I can keep it chill like smoking out blunt. I'ma keep it.
Copyright.
Wednesday, mostly cloudy, windy, humid with a passing shower in the morning. Watch out for a strong thunderstorm Wednesday afternoon. Thunderstorms could bring hail and damage.
Issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Oakland County and southeastern Michigan, southwestern Michigan until 7:30 p.m. At 6:27 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Troy, moving southeast. at 10
Nothing on
miles per
Channel
hour.
3 like always.
60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail.
Let's see if I can just get playing Channel 1.
6:55 p.m.
See? Playing nothing from Channel 3. I don't know why that's happening.
Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm
Like,
include Rochester Hills, Madison Heights, Township, Clawson, Hazel Park.
Du grain surplacé par un avertissement du grain court.
that's not good sound to hear from this thing.
Jusqu'à 40.
Until 7:30 p.m. for the following counties in Michigan, Macomb and Oakland. For the following areas, Lake St. Clair, open Lake DuSail.
Do we even have a low on this thing? Hang on. Yeah, I have it on. I don't know why it didn't
Near Mount Clemens
go off.
moving east at 15 knots. Additional thunderstorms are developing across Macomb and St. Clair counties. Hazard, wind gusts to nearly 50 knots and small hail. Source, observe wind gust of 40 knots at Selfridge 8 NGB at 5:53 p.m. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. The strongest thunderstorm will be near St. Clair Flats, Old Jail Lights, and will connect around 6:25 p.m. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. The National Weather Service in Detroit, Pontiac, has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern St. Clair County and southeastern Michigan until 7:15 p.m. At 6:08 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near New Baltimore, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Parsons Island around 6:15 p.m. Algonac around 6:20 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Anshoreville, Pearl Beach, and Fairhaven. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:15 p.m. for the following counties: St. Clair, Michigan. The National Weather Service in Detroit, Pontiac has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Oakland County in southeastern Michigan, southwestern Macomb County in southeastern Michigan, until 7:30 p.m. At 6:27 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Troy, moving southeast at 10 miles per hour. 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Troy and Sterling Heights around 6:30 p.m. Warren around 6:40 p.m. Clinton around 6:55 p.m. St. Clair Shores around 7:15 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm.
This is not working out for me as I suspected.
Shelby Township, Blossom, Hazel Park, Utica, Fraser, East Point, and Stony Creek Metro Park. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm
It's
warning has
just
been
not.
issued until 7:30 p.m. for the
It's
following
straight up
counties
just not.
in Michigan, Macomb, and Oakland. For the following, the severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Macomb County has expired.
Bruh.
The storm which prompted the warning has moved out of the area.
Yeah, no.
Therefore, the warning has been allowed to expire. Repeating, the severe thunderstorm warning has been allowed to expire for the following county: Macomb, Michigan. For the following areas: Lake St. Clair, Open Lake South.
Bro.
Portion, St. Clair River. At 6:21 p.m., a strong thunderstorm was located near Mount Clemens Harbor of Refuge,
Bro.
moving east at 15 knots.
Hello?
Additional thunderstorms are developing across Macomb and St. Clair counties. Hazard, wind gusts to nearly 50 knots and small hail. Source, observed wind gust of 40 knots at Selfridge ANGB at 5:53 p.m. Impact, small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. The strong thunderstorm will be near St. Clair Flats, Old Channel Light, and Algonac around 6:25 p.m. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. This is a marine weather statement. Strong thunderstorms approaching the waters. The areas affected include Detroit River.
No
A
crap.
severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 7:15 p.m. for southeastern St. Clair County. At 6:34 p.m.
Yeah, we
a
get
severe
Detroit, come
thunderstorm was
on.
located over Algonac, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail.
I didn't mean to
radar indicated.
You know, I meant to go to the...
Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of southeastern St. Clair County, including the following locations: Pearl Beach. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 7:15 p.m. for the following county: St. Clair, Michigan. This is a marine weather statement. Strong thunderstorms approaching the waters. The areas affected include Detroit River, Michigan waters of Lake Erie from Detroit River to North Cape, Michigan. At 6:33 p.m., Doppler radar indicated strong thunderstorms capable of producing winds up to 30 knots and small hail. These thunderstorms were located along a line extending from the Ambassador Bridge to 6 nautical miles west of Elizabeth Park Marina to 16 nautical miles west of Luna Pier, moving east at 15 knots. Strong thunderstorms will be near Elizabeth Park Marina, Wyandotte, Grosse Isle, Belle Isle, and Gibraltar around 6:40 p.m.
Of course it's Wyandotte.
Lake Erie Metro Park Harbor around 6:45 p.m. Detroit River Light, Woodland Beach, Astral Beach, and Detroit Beach around 6:55 p.m. Stony Point around 7 p.m. Monroe Harbor around 7:05 p.m. Bowles Harbor of Refuge and Luna Pier around 7:10 p.m. North Cape around 7:35 p.m. Other locations impacted by strong thunderstorms include Woodland Beach, Stony Point, Gibraltar, Astral Beach, and Detroit Beach. Mariners can expect gusty winds up to 30 knots, locally higher waves, and lightning strikes. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until these storms pass. These strong thunderstorms will likely produce winds up to 30 knots and could pose a serious hazard for boaters. A special marine warning may eventually be required when these strong thunderstorms reaches the nearshore waters. Boaters should consider heading for shore before these strong thunderstorms arrives. The severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Macomb County has expired. The storm which prompted the warning has moved out of the area. Therefore, the warning has been allowed to expire. Repeating, the severe thunderstorm warning has been allowed to expire for the following county: Macomb, Michigan. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 7:15 p.m. for southeastern St. Clair County. At 6:34 p.m., a severe
Oh,
thunderstorm
shoot, we
was
broke the
located
15-minute
over
limit.
Algonac,
Jesus.
moving east at 20 miles per hour.
Yeah, whatever.
Hazard, 60
Go
miles
faster.
per
That's
hour,
all.
wind
So
gusts
far we
10
upload.
quarter-size
Jesus,
hail.
Jesus
Source,
Christ.
radar indicated.
Jesus.
Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage.